No success without sacrifice. Sacrifice means giving up of something valued for the sake of something else. For example, during the Ramzan, Muslims abstain from eating and drinking during the whole day. A Christian abstains from eating non-vegetarian food during Lent. This is sacrifice or giving up something one usually likes. In many Hindu families, men and women fast on certain days. It is a sacrifice they make to please God. Definitely these are exemplary practices. Some children save their pocket money so as to give to poor people. Others abstain from eating certain delicacies like ice cream to strengthen their will or to give that money to a deserving person. These are all sacrifices. Sacrifice includes giving up certain necessities, pleasures, and even life itself. One is prepared to give up all these and more, for the sake of something which is considered to be more precious, more dear, and more sacred. The best example of sacrifice is seen in the home where parents give up everything for their children. It means they value the children else, even more than their lives. Making sacrifices is not easy. It pinches the person who makes it. It calls for great efforts from the one making it. It is denying something that one likes a lot. Yet all religions encourage the practice of making sacrifice of this type. Sacrifices, be they small or big, cause pain. Only someone who is in the habit of making small sacrifices can make a big sacrifice. Only someone who is selfless can make sacrifices. Only someone who is concerned with the welfare and happiness of others can make sacrifice. There is a beautiful story in the Bible. A rich young man went to Jesus and asked him what he should do to get eternal life. Jesus told him to follow God's commandments. He replied that he obeyed each one of them. He wanted to know whether he should do anything more. Jesus told him to go home and to sell all that he had. He was told to give the proceeds to the poor and then to come and follow Jesus. The rich young man went away never to return again. He could not think of making such a big sacrifice. The habit of making small sacrifices will give us the strength and courage to make big sacrifices. Giving up little joys, small pleasures, etc., strengthens our will and forms our character. It fills us with nobility and greatness. It helps us to place our needs behind the needs of others. No success is possible without sacrifice. If one sleeps instead of studying, one's progress will be poor. If a student watches television constantly, she cannot be successful in school. If one has every pleasure, one will not be able to think of the sufferings and pain of others. Great men and women have been persons of great sacrifice. They are the ones whom we remember and admire each moment. Siddhartha was a prince. He enjoyed all the pleasures of the palace. Seeing the sufferings and pain of others, he sacrificed his crown and all the delights of the palace. He worked to find a solution to the sufferings of mankind. Then he became Gautam Buddha. What a great sacrifice that was! Jesus Christ said that the greatest love is the sacrifice of one's life for one's brethren. He died on the cross for the salvation of mankind. Florence Nightingale gave up a life of luxury and pleasure to devote herself for nursing the sick and the wounded. Mother Teresa left the safety and the comfort of a convent to lead a risky and dangerous life in the streets of Calcutta to serve the poor, the dying, and the distressed. Every country has thousands of martyrs who sacrificed all that they had, including their lives, for their nation. These are people whose example will inspire us to make sacrifices. As students, we can make small sacrifices. We can give up little pleasures and little joys. We can do small service for the benefit of others. This will help us to lead a life with a purpose, that of serving others. It may pain us a little but benefit others a lot. Our life will be a success if we can reduce the failure, pain, suffering, worry, torture and humiliation of our fellow beings in any way. For this, sacrifice is inevitable.